In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a detailed PowerPoint outline using ChatGPT, an AI model by OpenAI. Whether you're gearing up for a professional presentation or crafting a school project, ChatGPT can help streamline the process and ensure you're on the right track. Let's dive in and explore how AI can assist in creating a fantastic presentation outline. First, you'll want to visit chat.openai.com and start by logging into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll see the chat box where the magic happens. This is where you'll input your requests and receive responses directly from ChatGPT. To kick things off, think about what your presentation is about. In the chat box, you're going to type a request. As an example, let's say you're creating an outline for a presentation on digital marketing basics. Type in something like, create a PowerPoint outline for a presentation on digital marketing basics. It's crucial to be as clear and specific as possible in your request, because the more detailed your prompt, the better the AI can tailor the response. Next, add some specific parameters to your request. Details like how many slides you envision, the intended audience, and the tone you want to convey will help refine the AI's suggestions. For instance, you might specify that you need a 10-slide presentation targeted at university students with a formal yet engaging tone. This helps ChatGPT provide a more customized slide breakdown that meets your needs. Once you've entered all the necessary details, ChatGPT will generate a suggested slide breakdown. This may include an introduction, content sections, and key points for each slide, culminating in a call to action or conclusion. Go ahead and review this breakdown carefully to make sure it aligns with your vision for the presentation. If you find that you need to tweak any part of the outline, utilize follow-up prompts to adjust it. For example, if you notice the outline lacks a final summary, you can prompt ChatGPT to add a summary slide at the end. ChatGPT will then revise the outline to accommodate your request, ensuring the final product is as polished as it can be. After you're satisfied with the structure, the next step is to copy the outline directly from the chat. Open your PowerPoint application, create a new presentation, and paste the outline into the notes section of each slide. This sets a strong foundation upon which you can start designing. Take the time to add visuals, bullet points, and other elements that will make each slide engaging and informative. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to develop a structured PowerPoint presentation with a little help from AI. With these tools at your disposal, creating presentations is not only easier, but also much more efficient. Happy